if your channel is getting blocked or terminated by YouTube. Also, if you're creating another channel that is also getting removed, it's because of YouTube's new policy, Circumvention Policy. So hello everyone, my name is Nivedita and today I'm going to talk about this policy in detail so that you can save your channel from getting blocked or terminated. So when YouTube blocks your channel, it just doesn't block that account. It also monitors your activity, your behavior patterns. So if you make another channel to do the same thing, it's gonna block that also. And some people think that by changing email, by changing name, you can save yourself from this policy. Well, no. YouTube systems are very advanced, so they can detect it. Don't try these things, otherwise your account will get permanently blocked. Now, what you should not do is trying shortcuts. For example, creating multiple accounts, re-uploading the same content, or re-uploading it by slightly editing it. Don't do that. It's just gonna make things more worse. Here, what you should do instead. First, we need to check why your YouTube channel got banned. And for that, you need to check your email, YouTube Studios for the exact reasons. Now first, if you believe it was a mistake, then you need to write an appeal to YouTube. Just submit an appeal or a mail. If you think that the violation was real, then you need to start fresh with a good content strategy with your own voice and good ideas. Okay? Also, if this video helped you, do like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.